So today, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to say, I can hear and say the initial sounds in words, and I can link sounds to letters and sound out letters of the alphabet.
Hello everyone, it's Miss Elsby here. Today we're going to be doing some phonics, but first we need to warm up our phonics brains. I've got my, nearly dropped them. I've got my phonics cards here and I'm going to go through them, and when you see the sound, I want you to say it as quickly as you can. Are you ready? Well done, that was super. Today we're going to be listening for the initial sounds in some words. That means the first sounds that you can hear when we say them. I've got Fred here to help us today. Fred, what's our first word that we are listening to today? Fred said our first word to listen for the initial sound is pit. 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 What's the first sound in the word pit? That's a tricky one. Pit. What do you think it might be? Tell a grown-up if you think you know. Fred, can you Fred talk it for me, please? Fred said p-it, pit. Did you hear it? The first sound in the word pit is p. P for pit. Well done.
P for pit.
Right, are you ready for our next word? Fred, what is our word, please? Fred said we need to listen to the first sound in the word dig. 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 Oh, that's a tricky one. Do you know what it is? Tell a grown-up if you know. Fred, can you Fred talk it for me, please? Fred said dig. Dig. That must mean our first sound in the word dig is d. D for dig. Good job.
D for dig.
Okay, are you ready for our last word? This is a bit tricky now, so let's see if we can get it. Fred, what is the last word we're listening to today? Okay, so you need to listen to the first sound in the word chat. 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 Like when you can have a chat to your friends. Oh, chat. That's a tricky one. Fred? Oh, Fred said this is a tricky one. Fred, can you, Fred, talk the word chat for me, please? Fred said ch-at, chat. Well done. So the first sound in the word chat is ch. Ch. Listen, ch for chat. Good job.
Ch for chat. How do you think you did today? Have a think now. Can you hear and say the initial sounds in the words that we've looked at today? Can you link the sounds to the letters and say the correct sound with the letter? So when you saw a sound pop up on the screen, could you tell me what it is? If you can do that, point to the smiley face. If you're not sure, you can point to the other face and we can do a bit more practicing.
We are both so proud of you today. Well done. Your challenge now is to go onto Miss Skip's video and have a go at her activities. Don't forget, if you do any writing, you can post it in our school post box, or if you take any pictures, you can send it on WhatsApp or on our school email. Well done. See you soon.